Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have AAVE and this altcoin is going to explode in the next few weeks. Be certain that this is a very nice reaccumulation phase for AAVE. It is going to do fantastically over the 2023. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. I'm telling you, now is the time to enter, now is the time to join with a manual phase with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance every day, educational videos, market updates, and many other benefits. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to see what AAVE is going to do. So eventually AAVE had a nice pump right here and then it went all the way down, getting retested on the 20-day exponential moving average. You can see the 20-day is our top trend line that we are getting rejected every time right here. Okay, right here and right there in the weekly frame. I am into the weekly frame. 20-day MA is the yellow line. Look at the price that it is getting rejected every single time. Right now we want to see what is going to happen next. So AAVE found a nice bottom at the 52 USDT. Now you will tell me, Bill, is this a bearish pennant formation? Okay. Or is this, could be the case that this is a nice double bottom pattern, because eventually we have many patterns out there, right? And the reason that we're having many patterns, it is the most complicated out of it, because when you have many patterns to follow, then it could be the one, could be the other, but we have other tools to help us. So the 52 USDT for AAVE is a huge, significant support level. When you get down to this and you have 2 times a buying pressure around there, that means that AAVE is very good and ready for a nice double bottom pattern. However, as you all know, when we have a double bottom pattern, we have a neckline as well. And unfortunately, the neckline is here at 105 USDT. So from where we are right now, you should be waiting for a 63%, which isn't the case, right? I wouldn't like if you wait so much. So I would suggest you buy AAVE right now. Look at these price targets right there. Okay, this is the possible bearish pattern, but I think it is a double bottom. Anyway, I'm going to do 2 simply things right here. I'm going to remove the 20-day MA because it is a little bit confusing with the targets, and I'm going to draw, first of all, a trend-based Fibonacci extension. Now, trend-based is a very good Fibonacci. Once we close above this line right here, okay, 62.7, this would be fantastic. Okay, fantastic for AAVE. If we close above, now we have 2 days until the closing above condition, right? 1.5, 2 days around there. We need to close above the 62.7. If we do that, then AAVE is going to do fantastically over the next few days. The one I did draw before was a Fibonacci retracement. You can see that if you draw a Fib, we do not have so many differences into the levels. Okay, we have a little bit down here, but at the same time, because this bottom is close to this is why we do not have the huge differences into the Fib retracement and the trend-based Fibonacci extension. Anyway, I'm going to keep this line right here because the trend base is giving us more accurate resistance levels. Look at this right here, for example. Okay, this is a huge support back here, but now it has become a resistance. I think that AAVE can literally manage to make it towards the 71.7 and even the 80 USDT. If we close above the 62.7, it would be very good for AAVE. Fantastic run it would make, and we could go towards the 80 USDT. Even higher could be the case, and then this is around the neckline that we talked about, right? The 0.786. Now, if we can close above the 0.786, which is the 105, then AAVE is going literally to have an impulsive wave in the weekly frame as well. But keep in your mind these 3 targets for the more of a short term, I would say, for the next 2-3 weeks, okay, or so. And of course, the other targets for later on. If we can close above the 62.7. However, if we cannot, then you should be waiting a little bit to see the further price action. Although I'm very optimistic, we need to wait a little bit because the market is not bullish yet. Okay. And for example, today we could have a correction going on because in the lower time frames we are not so bullish. Okay. On the other hand, we could have a pump in the next days. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. AAVE can literally explode. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.